Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the deletion source. Was it archived, removed from chat, or deleted for everyone? Next, make sure backups exist. iCloud or Google Drive and Messenger's data download option. This preserves a copy before you proceed. Once done, sign into the exact Facebook account and verify the device OS and app version, because different paths exist for Android versus iPhone. Begin immediately with data preservation, so you don't overwrite potential recoverable files. Now you perform the main recovery steps. First, check archived chats in Messenger. Archived threads often look deleted but are recoverable. If not there, request a Facebook data download and include messages. Choose JSON for structure or HTML for easy reading. Wait for the file and inspect it. If you back up your phone, restore a device backup from before deletion using Google Drive or iCloud. Make sure to back up current data first so you can revert if needed. Proceed methodically and verify each file. Finish by opening downloaded message files and searching for names, keywords, or timestamps. JSON files let you parse entries quickly, and HTML opens in a browser for easy scanning. If you consider third-party recovery tools, use only well-reviewed, reputable software and understand privacy risks. Do not enter passwords into unknown apps. If you find nothing, the key troubleshooting step is to enable continuous backups and act quickly next time. Deleted data may be unrecoverable once overwritten, so prevent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.